Hi, I'm Sarah. I'm from Australia. I grew up with my family in Australia by the beachside, and in my spare time I played piano and painted pictures and did creative things. So in ninth grade in school in Australia, we had in English class we had a project where we were split into groups of three, and we had to debate something. And our team's debate was about whether a nuclear power plant should be built in a specific area. So one character was the mayor, and another character was someone who would be living next to the reactor once it's built. And my role was the scientist. So my job was to research about nuclear power plants and then present why I think we should or shouldn't build one, whether I think it's safe, and how it will impact the environment. And so a lot of people had very negative views of nuclear power in Australia, so it was difficult for me to do this research by asking people. So I had to do a lot of reading from books and online, and I discovered that nuclear power is actually very safe. And when I presented this to the class, the teacher was not that agreeable, but I definitely learned a lot about it. At MIT, there's a research reactor that currently uses highly enriched fuel, and the government said that we can't have highly enriched fuel anymore, so MIT is working on the conversion to low enriched fuel. So my research is working on a very small part of the thermohydraulic analysis for the switch over to low enriched fuel. Having grown up in Australia and going to school in the US, I noticed that people have very different views of nuclear energy in the two countries. I'm not entirely sure why this is, but I think a large part of the problem is the media. The media often takes nuclear incidents, and the media often exaggerates nuclear incidents to sound much worse than they actually are. And because of the media, everybody's paying attention to the media, and that's all that they have to go on, because the science is kind of complicated and it's hard for everybody to understand. So they have to believe what's on TV, and it's not always correct. I'm Sarah. I'm an Australian, I'm a musician, and I'm a nuke.